We've got a Revvi 18 in for repair. This is a Gen 1 version of the bike. It's getting some new brakes, actually getting some Magura MT5s on there. And then it's also getting a Rfloxa rear shock, so Rob's going to get to it. So that's the front brake on. As you can see, they go on pretty easy. These do come pre-bled, but since we've been cutting the cables and stuff, we always just re-bleed them. So now comes the difficult part of this whole install, which is fitting the rear brake. Actually mounting it onto the caliper and the handlebars is no problem, but the difficult part is you're having to feed the brake cable through the frame of the bike, which is difficult enough as is because you can't see anything, but also you have to get it over the controller as well. So this did take us a little bit of time. So now comes the easiest part of this install, which is fitting the new Rfloxa rear shock. The Revvi shock has 4 bolts, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. You just simply need to take them out and put the new ones in. You can use the old ones if you wanted to, but the Rfloxa shocks come with black bolts that just look a lot better. And there we are, the brakes are on the bike, bled up, looking good, feeling good, and the rear shock is installed. So yeah, this is something a little bit different. If you'd like something like this for your Revvi bike, get in touch. We can do all the fitting in-house in our workshop, as you can see. We would also recommend getting the Rfloxa rear shocks if you have the older Gen 1 bikes, as the rear shocks on them are prone to failure. So thanks for watching, guys.